Dans silence, nous travaillons sans perdre distance, you heard me? Haitian, nous comptons allier déjà, les gens sous. Let's see if I can put this in English. In silence, we work without a break, you heard me? Haitian. All my Haitian people, and you know what it is, listen, so. It doesn't really make sense in English, but so we're going to see, let's see, how can I put that? It's a challenge. If I laugh, I'll slap myself. If I don't laugh, keep going. Yeah, but I don't think I'm going to laugh. I'm in a bad mood today. Yeah, so let's go. Share audio. Share. Y'all can see I haven't seen any of these. What just happened? This is more views, so I'm gonna go with this one.
Facebook ads are...
So y'all gotta know that I'm not
killing your
American.
business.
So some of those
Howard
jokes
Tech,
I'm
and
not
I help
gonna
my
get it.
clients generate multiple
Yeah, it's rewind time.
Let's go.
I'm gonna prank my dad.
Oh my. That's early in the video and I already laugh. I'm stupid. Ow. That hurt. Alright, let's keep going.
What do you got there? Snack.
That thing is so much anxiety. What the heck? They're doing all this just for... I actually don't know what this even is.
From the Manatee County Fair, Linda Carson, ABC7. Would you not eat my pants?
What would you do if there was a child right in front of you? Hey kids!
You are unattractive in the face region. You are your father's...
Yeah, as you can see, I'm not laughing. Those stuff are not funny to me. I don't know. Maybe I'm not hearing those stuff actually. I'm not really hearing it properly.
offspring because he is ugly as well. Dad.
We had a lot of wind yesterday, but at least we didn't have a tornado. But it looks like there's a tornado out there right now. But don't worry, it's a good tornado. Are you ready? ready, Larry? This is going to be delicious. This is a candy corn tornado.
What the heck?
Yum, yum. Yeah, that was corny.
Yeah, imagine if this was in the news. That would be so cringy.
Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me.
I grew up in a place where they told
That's got to be the best part I've ever seen. So it would seem.
Travis, I was curious, speaking about pants here, how do you keep your pants up when you're performing? It's incredible. Belt.
Woo! He hit that. Bro, I. I watched this already, so I'm not laughing.
It's the perfect texture for running. Very low impact on its dry snow, so your feet don't get wet.
It's the way she talk. He's like some, I don't know. Let's hear that again. It's the perfect texture.
We were jogging by and we're nice to just stop for a quick second. And I said, what are you doing running? And you're saying it was really good out? It's the perfect texture for running. Very low impact on its dry snow, so your feet don't get wet. All right, thanks. We've seen a lot of people out here, like you said, running, sledding, just enjoying it. One thing worse, that can happen, unfortunately.
Magic.
Swear I won't forget this. Why do I regret this? In my mind reckless thoughts.
Does that count? That was just a little smile. That wasn't even that fun. Yeah, so let's go. Ooh.
I've noticed in watching some of the tapes on self-defense that a lot of guys like to show defense from awkward positions, say sitting in a chair, having your back or whatever. So what I'd like to do is demonstrate a technique which I call defense against a guy in a chair. Excuse me.
Martial arts.
Do I look?
What would you do if there was a child right in front of you?
Hello, sir. Good news. The surgery was a complete success, and everything went amazing. We successfully did surgery on a grape.
Kylie Jenner to the foyer. I have a little surprise for you. So did you
Alright, that's it for the video. I know it's not over, but my phone is about to die, so I don't wanna keep. I don't know. Yeah. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Oh yeah, I just laughed too. I'm about to black out. Alright, yeah, that was it for the video. Y'all better like and subscribe. Yeah. If you don't, actually, if you don't, I don't know. You don't. Who cares? Peace out.